Deep Lake Suburb, Lake County, all the way west of Chicago. Lot of very huge, big houses here. Hunt Club Road. I'm going towards Skokie Highway. All the way Skokie Highway. I'll go. I'll catch it. This is the rank. Beautiful weather. If you are coming by the Wisconsin, state of America, Wisconsin, Devon Circuit. You can see it. Gurney Mill, right side. I was coming here since long. This is all Gurney. We were making plan to buy this land. But okay, we are crossing the bridge of Gurney Mills. Probably 1994, not 94. And this is a school street too. Here is huge church. Probably you can get this one masjid in future. Wow, green light, red light, yellow light. New Hope, right side, big church. Look, right side, only one car is here. If you guys buy this one for masjid, then good for you, good for me, good for everyone. Very soon we will get...
In a half mile, turn right onto North Skokie Highway.
North Skokie Highway. We are catching. That's called 41 Route 2. You will see conifer. Whenever.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto North Skokie Highway.
North Skokie Highway. I have to make right from there. Here is church too. Look, here was 3 churches.
Turn right onto North